It is Sunday, April 8th, 2018, about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and 55 degrees. That's where I'm wearing my winter coat. It's 55 degrees and humid, so it's chilly. But it is time for this week's garden update. I'm starting with the almond tree that I told you last week was dead. But you know what I see? I see growth. It's hard with the chicken wire to get in close to show you. And I'll try to zoom, but zoom sometimes gets blurry. I don't know if you can see the kind of reddish, a little bit of green. Yeah, this almond tree is not dead. Hallelujah. And I looked up almonds, and almonds are supposed to be able to grow in zone 7, so they are supposed to be hardy down to 0 degrees. So yeah, it even, look, it's even called Hall's Hardy Almond. I just noticed the name of it. So I'm very glad about that. However, I'm not sure it's actually going to bear any nuts. We'll see. This tree, however, is obliging us with a branch sticking out of the chicken wire so we can look at the nuts nice and close. Yeah, this has a bunch more nuts than it had. No, it did have a bunch of nuts last year. Last year was an experiment in learning how often we need to water and how much water we need to give. So a lot of the almonds actually fell off. We're going to try to prevent that this year and give our trees more water. Jujubee. Teeny tiny Asian pears growing. Oh, here's a bigger one. You can tell better here. I like that one. Do you notice this Asian pear is leafing out a little bit later than the other two? That's because the other two are Korean giant Asian pears, and this one is, let me see that, Yoinaishi Asian pear. This is the one you need to have 2 different varieties for cross-pollination. So we have 2 of the giants, and then this one. Oh, this pear is even bigger. Look. Yay. So how big are the peaches getting? There's a peach. Maybe a little bit bigger than the almonds. Maybe about a lot of them are about the same size as the almonds right now. So far, still only this one bush is actually growing flowers and then berries. There'll be a berry one day. By the way, I'm not going to take you guys down to look at the mulberry and the pomegranate at the end of the property. If you did not see my video, 5 things I'm excited about this year with the garden and orchard, look at that video. It's the one right before this one, and you can see the pomegranate is not dead, it's leafing out. So far the pink ladies still are not giving me any flowers here. Darn. They're here to give cross-pollination to these guys. But they were late last year and these guys still gave me some apples. So anyway, my Fuji's. This is a bit disturbing. My teeny tiny strawberries on the ground, they're teeny tiny and they're starting to turn red. That's not good. I'm not sure what the deal is. I was going to spray them for mold today, and now I'm not sure it's worth it if they're not going to be any good. That's why I have this. That's why I'm trying strawberries up here on the ground. Hopefully these will get a lot bigger before they start to turn red. One of my 4 gummies. Still no flowers, but probably pretty soon because the wild blackberries, some of those have flowers on them. The mulberry tree has mulberries, lots of mulberries. Okay, we might have asparagus for dinner today. I've got a whole bunch of asparagus growing. So now the domesticated blackberries still don't have flowers on them. So the wild ones, I guess, bloom out a little bit sooner. This grape is finally leafing out. Oh, there's some real leaves right there. I'm going to break down and spray a copper. It's a fungicide, and I know it's not the best to get extra copper in the soil, but I either spray fungicide or I never get grapes. That's the kind of climate we have here. The slower blueberries are growing something now. This has lots of teeny tiny little green blueberries growing all over it, and still lots of flowers. Whoa, 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 whoa. Kiwi did not like the 32 degrees last night. Oh goodness. Oil. It didn't hurt all, though. It looks like it maybe hurt the little leaves, the new leaves that have just come out. Yeah, we woke up to frost on the ground this morning. So I'm very glad I have not yet got the tomatoes and peppers out, but they're coming. They're going to be transplanted today because they have to be. Check out the peas. Now see, this is why you need to train peas, because they don't necessarily go up where you want them. You try to go other places. So you have to kind of tell them where to go gently without breaking them. Kale, kale, kale. Look at it. Even though I've cut off of all of these kale a couple times, it doesn't look like it, does it? Except here, these have some little baby kale that I just started, which are growing well. It's not going to freeze, hopefully ever again, until like December or November. So I'm going to uncover the cilantro, give it some air. Ugh, yep. Whew, we can breathe again. They're not dead. They're not dead, but they weren't real happy being under that plastic for 2 days. Cilantro, even though it's a spring herb, is not freeze hardy. But apparently the kiwi isn't either. Now the broccoli is going to look a little bit chopped down because it is. We had broccoli leaves in our salad a couple of nights ago because look how big they're getting. Isn't that cool? Yay. So yeah, not going to show you what the tomato and pepper quote-unquote seedlings look like right now. They're getting big because I'm going to have, my next video is going to be transplanting them out, or I'm going to at least have a video about how to transplant the tomatoes, and transplanting the peppers and tomatoes will be part of next week's vlog. So tune in, and thanks a lot for watching my garden update. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up. I will see you for the next video. In the meantime, take care and happy gardening.